emakhosini, siyakhuleka ey'nganeni zethonga, siyakhuleka ey'nganeni zamanzi, siyakhuleka ey'ndlondlweni, siyakhuleka kubantwana bedlozi, siyakhuleka ebantwaneni besithunywa. This is the power of healing with Uthabi, ungowekhethelo, iqhwa lentwasahlobo, inkanyezi yamakhosi komntungwa, inkosazana yelanga nenyanga, ukhanya, unompilo. Before I start with today's topic, I hope nonke nibonile ukuthi topic ya today is about what. So nginalo mlayezo omncane uvukile ekseni, and then ngathi awuthi-ke ngikhulume nabantwana basekhaya namhlanje. Probably this message is going to help someone. Ngivuswe nje ngawo lo message today. So ithi-ke ngidlulela kuqala bese siyaqhubeka ke.
Akekho umuntu ayicelela ukuba nesitha ukube kuya ngami ngaba nginaso nesodwa isitha, kodwa inkinga into engiyiyona iyakwenza ukuthi ngivukelwe ngibe nesitha. Ngiyathanda ngithanda noma ngafast 40 days, kodwa indlela engiyiyona ayivumi ukuthi ngiphile nje, ivuma ukuthi kunande kuba nezitha eyivukayo. Yijeni indlela yami le sengaze ngaku-enjoya.
I-message mangizwa kahle ithi into engiyiyona ayivumi ukuthi ngingabi nesitha. Angifuni ukushumayela ngoba anye ningithande mase ngingashumayela, kodwa I want us to look at this in 2014. Sibheke abantwana besiphiwo who are trying so hard to hide entweni abayiyona, who are trying so hard to be accepted by the world. And I want to say into yiyona ayivumi ungabi nesitha. Amandla onawo awavumi ukuthi ungabi wena kuma challenges. Amandla onawo yiwo avusa iy'tomo empilweni yakho. Amandla onawo yiwo avusa ukuthi uyithole ukuma challenges adlula wabanye abantu. Awukwazi ukuthi ungathi wena ungasiyena owenyama bese ufuna izinto zakho zenzeke njengomuntu wenyama. Into esiyona ayivumi ukuthi singabi nezitha. Into esiyona ayivumi ukuthi sithandwe ngiwo wonke umuntu. Ngoba ukwazi ukubona okungale kwabantu bese futhi ufuna ukuthi bakuthande laba bantu, ngoba abantu bayabona into oyibonayo noma bayakubona amandla nawo. So awukwazi ukuthi ungaba nesiphiwo ukuthi ungathi wena ubuildelwe noma ucreatelwe ukuthi ukwazi ukumove ama forces athize, ukwazi ukubona okungale bese uthi wena you want to be ordinary. You are not ordinary. Awusiyena wala. Indlela yakho for you to be sharp, for you to be lento, you need to be shaken. For you to know your strength, for you ukwazi ukuthi wena ubani, ukuzazi ubuwena, you need to be shaken. So asikwazi ukuthi ungangaba nezitha, whether physical or spiritual, uzoba nazo izitha because indlela yakho demands it. Kuwe le izitha ziyimpilo, kuwe izitha ziwukhula, kuwe izitha zikuvuselela amandla, kuwe izitha zikuvuselela into oyiyona. So therefore indlela yakho commands it ukuthi ube nazo izitha. Indlela yakho commands it ukuthi ube nawo ama challenges. Amandla akho commands that. Because uzozazi kanjani the strength that you have within you ma unganazo lezi zinto. Stop trying to fit in. Stop trying to make the world understand what you are. You need to understand who you are and be okay with it. I had a consultation earlier this year, a very unique consultation from a guy who is from Britain or who's British. And ngathi kuye, you are not from this dimension. You are not from this dimension, therefore you cannot expect the world to know who you are. Indlela oze ngayo nalento yembethe akusiyinto that is visible to anyone. Akusiyinto ebonwa nanoma ubani, akusiyinto eyaziwa nanoma ubani. So stop expecting umhlaba ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi ubani wena. Because the physical cannot define what you are or who you are. So therefore, if you cannot be defined, if you cannot be classified into a certain land or group, then uzoba nezitha. Nobody said the journey is going to be easy, and nobody said fanele ithandwe abantu ijourney yakho. Kodwa iba mnandi mangabe wena uyiacceptile, iba lula mangabe wena uyiacceptile uyithanda futhi. Bese ujika uyithobela futhi ngoba kuko konke kuyadingeka ukuthi sithobe somewhere. Kukho konke kuyadingeka ukuthi umuntu athobe somewhere. Khona lapha efanele sizehlise khona. So le esikuyo ke thina iyadimanda ukuthi uhlala nje uqhelise okuningi, because your cycle becomes like this. Bese ke iyaqhubeka. So I don't know who needed this message. Kodwa ngizwe ngiyithanda mangihlangana nayo. I think I don't believe ukuthi in my journey kune coincidence, but I believe it was a message meant for somebody. Into yiyona demands ukuthi ube nezitha. Into yiyona demands ukuthi ube nama challenges. Into ezoyenza yonke into ibe lula is to accept who you are and move on with your journey. In moving on with your journey, ubuye ufunde kule journey. It is meant, lezitha are meant to bring meaning empilweni noma ku journey yakho. Lezitha, they are meant to sharpen you. Even a spear has to be sharpened ngomlilo. Umkhonto ulolwa ngomlilo ukuzube awulolwa kalula. Asikho lapha esikhona because we never had challenges, or lapha esikhona because kwavele kwaba smooth. Nothing is smooth sailing. Kodwa into iyona idinga ukuthi uzithobe wena, uzehlise wena, bese ke uyafunda. And we need to understand ukuthi ukufunda akupheli. In this journey ukufunda kwakhona akupheli uthi so uyathi so uthi wazi konke bese uhlangabezana nezinto ezinye ezintsha. Makusaphila umuntu bantwana basebukhosini, makusaphila umuntu fanele kuwazi ukuthi imfundo nayo isekhona. There is that lento opportunity for growth. Mawusaphila ispace se growth sisekhona, isikhala se growth sisekhona. Dingekile ukuthi sikhule, kudingekile futhi ukuthi sizazi. Mawuzazi, it makes the journey easy. Mawuzazi and listen attentively to our messages and listen attentively to the guidance. You will get your way. You will find your path. You will reach your destination. Kodwa kudinga ukulalela nokuthobeka. So as I said, it was a message that I found this morning, and angazi ukuthi ibhekiswe kubani. Kodwa ku-2024 ake sizazi ukuthi once you are spiritually awakened, once yabona kungcono ukungazi, it's very bad, because once you are spiritually awakened and you know who you are, you cannot go back. You cannot cry and say why nginezitha, because so uyazazi wena ukuthi ubani. Asekeni ukucasha emva kwesithupha and saying mina ngangazi. iy'mfundo sezikhona everywhere. Unenhlanhla mangabe abakini bakunikezile imentor. Abanye bethu had to learn by themselves. I always say this. You have to learn. Uzikhulisa wena. Uzikhulisa wena in this journey. Ukhule wena in this journey. You are lucky or fortunate. Mabakhombe emuntwini ozokuguida. Kodwa ke ekukhonjweni emuntwini ozokuguida, you need to listen. Akusiyo wonke umuntu who is for you. Akusiyo wonke umuntu who is for you. Accept that, move on. Akusiyo wonke umuntu ozomphiwa. Accept and move on. Accept ukuthi mina ke enginayo into ngaphakathi iyayidonsa izitha. Le enginayo mina ngaphakathi iyayidonsa izitha, ibuyise eduzane. Izlethe eduzane izitha. Mina le enginayo iyabudonsa ubunzima, iyayidonsa imvula, iyabudonsa ukuhlupheka. Yile enginayo mina. Ngoba ukuze lo moya usebenze fanele kuhlushwe. Ukuze umuntu onesithunywa, isithunywa siphakame sisebenze, isithunywa fanele sihlushwe. Thina sakhula isithunywa somuntu sihlushwa abazalwane. Ukuze idlozi livuke, libhoboke, libhodle fanele lihlushwe. Yabona mawufuna libhoboke ngempela fanele lihlushwe, alidla amachizi liyahlushwa. Bese liyasebenza. Mawunesithunywa fanele sihlushwe, lesithunywa fanele kube nento ekuhluphayo ukuze lesithunywa siphakama. Asizukuphakama ngoba kungenalutho. So kwasona ngisho sivuka kuwe siyakuhlupha. Sihlupha umoya. Sona sivuka sihlupha umoya, sihlupha inyama. Simnandi ke wena mama sivuka sivuke nje isithunywa or livuke nje idlozi kube mnandi emzimbeni wakho, siyakubongela. Kodwa thina esaziyo ukuthi masivuka silwa nomoya wakho, silwa nenyama yakho. That is why you find people fighting. That is why you find people biting their tongues. That is why you find people. You cannot be your normal self makuphakama isithunywa. You cannot be your normal self makuphakama idlozi. So therefore it is into yiyo commands and demands ukuthi uhlushwe wena. You cannot be a good leader in a spiritual journey and be in a comfort zone. So I don't know who needed to hear this. Maqala nje uFebruary sisenyangeni yothandwe, ngathi ke singathanda thina kuqala, ungayithanda wena before uthanda ngaphandle, before uthanda omunye umuntu uzithande wena kuqala and accept who you are. Yonke into izohamba kahle futhi yonke into izolunga. Kodwa ukulunga ke kudinga ukuthi nawe uzilungise. Not only spiritually but nasenhlizweni uyilungise kwanawe. Ngibonge ke kakhulu njoba bengisho ke sebaze basibhodlisa nje, angazi obedinga ukuthi akuzwe lokho. Kodwa into yiyona demands ukuthi ube nezitha. Thank you.